What's up, guys? It is currently 9:15-ish. We're getting ready to go onto the Norwegian Prima. This is its third revenued sailing, so it's kind of newer. Actually, really new. So we're out here in New York. Here's our view from our window. Times Square is down there. I'm pretty sure y'all can hear all the city scenery, the sirens and everything. So I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be my first time on a ship that's this new. So I'm really excited, and I'm hoping that I can get y'all the footage that y'all want to see of the cruise ship. So I'll see y'all when we're on. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to room 13208. As soon as you walk into your right, you have your bathroom. You have your hand towel, 2 body towels. To the right of the mirror, you have 3 shelves. Shelf with an extra hand towel, shelf with cups, and then your shower needs. I'll get more into that. You have your countertop with the big sink, good countertop storage space, and then underneath you have a cabinet with trash can on the left cabinet door. Going into the shower, you have your included soaps with the sweep. I'm 5'10", 5'11". I have good headroom. I have good body space too. Very big shower. Leaving the bathroom now down the main hall, you can see the beautiful living room. Good space in the living room. As you're walking down to your right, you will have the vanity. The vanity has a big mirror with an ice box you can call it, on there. A little drawer that you pull out. You have the queen size bed walking into the master bedroom. Good space to walk in between the bed and the wall. Heard a lot about that on other rooms. You have closet storage space not only to the left, but also to the right with sliding doors where the mirror is. You pull the cabinet doors open, or not the cabinet doors, the closet doors open, and you have shelf space, good for packing cubes if you have them. On both sides of the bed, you have vanities or nightstands, whatever you call it, with lamps that have USB Type 3 and Type 2. On here, you have your coffee maker with your coffee of choice, cream, and sugar. You have your beautiful balcony with your chairs, and here's the view. Another thing that I didn't have time to add is with the space with the coffee maker, you also have tea underneath. You have 2 big drawers with silverware, napkins, and stuff. You also have your mini fridge there. Alright, to start off, so far it's been really good, other than maybe a few minor mistakes at the terminal when we were getting on the ship. As a suite member, we were supposed to be in the Haven Lounge, where they have the snacks, the drinks, all that type of stuff, and we were not there. People told us don't go there. And then we were supposed to board the ship with our concierge, our butler. We're supposed to be basically escorted onto the ship. That never happened. We wind up coming in with around group 16. We figured out we were latitude members, and we're silver, so we were able to board early. But so far, we went to Cagney's after that. We ate at Cagney's. Very good food. I would definitely recommend. We're going to be eating there a lot I could tell. My hair is all crazy because it is windy. We are moving, obviously. The beautiful, as you all saw in the replay, the beautiful view that we have. This balcony is huge. The room is beautiful. I couldn't ask for a better room. I couldn't really ask for better anything. We are going to go underneath the bridge, and I will show you all that. But so far, it's looking nice. Yeah, I mean, I'll go more in depth on how I feel. Just stay tuned about this room, our butler, the shows that we have planned coming up, tours of the boat, what the boat's like, since this is the third revenue sailing that they are getting from this. I'll tell you all that you'll need to know about that. Stay tuned.